Put on your makeup fast. What do you got, fat fingers? What's taking so long? Let's get into it.
It's Purdy Jenkins. 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 It's Purdy Jenkins.
Jimmy, I've discovered the ultimate hack. Putting on your makeup in 10 seconds. 10 seconds? That's faster than I can tie my own shoes. How's this magic supposed to work? It's all about speed and strategy. Step 1, get your makeups ready. Lay it out like a NASCAR pit stop. Foundation, blush, mascara, the works. So we're talking a pit crew. So we're talking a makeup pit crew situation. Foundation ready. Makeup on standby. Foundation ready. Blush on standby. Exactly. In step 2, use the all-in-one swipe technique. Whatever that is, Bob, I can't wait to get to the next line. Grab a big brush, swirls it and everything, and then applies it to your face in one quick goes. One swipe for the entire face. I'm picturing a rainbow explosion. Bold choice, Purdy. Bold and efficient. Step 3, mascara with both hands. Dual wield those wands like using an action movie and you got like 9,000 tentacles trying to apply it to your faces. This asks for drama. This one here's for everyday wear. I'm nailing this, man. And finally, step 4, lipstick. All around these kissy things. Go with the smudge and go. Just swipe it on and pucker your lips together. Instant pout. Smudge and go. This sounds like a fast food order. But hey, if it works, and it will, Bob, because it was not your idea. There you have it. Makeup in 10 seconds. You'll be out the door before that coffee's even brewed. Cheers to speed, beauty, and not caring about perfection. I'm Purdy Jenkins. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe, or I'll do some voodoo shit on your face. Stay tuned for some more bonus material. Yeah. Things they always say. He who hesitates is lost. That means if you don't act fast enough, you're a damn goner. It's hotter than a hushka. That means it's like being on the damn sun with a furnace. Binga! That's just something you say when you're damn shocked. Unreal. That means you don't think it's real. If you want it bad enough, you'll have it. Means if you want it bad enough like a little kid who wants a damn Christmas present, you will have it, sonny boy.